Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we've talked about the quick machine recovery functionality that Microsoft has added to Windows 11, and this comes in the problem that happened in the summer of 2024 where a lot of Windows PCs crashed and were unusable. So this is in the wake of trying to find new ways to basically fix this. And the ways to fix this, of course, is to add ways to fix a system in a very easy way, even for people that don't have a lot of knowledge. And so at Ignite today, there were some announcements that were very interesting. So first of all, they were talking about the quick machine recovery that you have in the Windows system. Quick machine recovery is already here in Windows 11 and 24H2, 25H2. And they were actually showing that this will be improved. It will actually work even better by having all sorts of ways of downloading from Windows services from the cloud when in the recovery mode to fix your PC and have it booting again. But something new, it sounds like something we already had, but it is a much improved version of it. There will be in the troubleshoot section, point-in-time restore. This is like the system restore we used to have in Windows, but it's more modern and it will be integrated directly within Windows 11. So it'll be in the settings app and you'll see it in the recovery. So in the recovery, you will have point-in-time restore where you'll have a certain number of points, just like the system restore we already have, but it will be better and quicker. They are saying this is going to be just a few minutes and you restart and your PC should be okay. System restore could take a long time sometimes to fix problems. This is a more straight to the point fix that's going to happen here. And of course, in the system settings, you will have in the recovery a point-in-time restore option. And this will, of course, give you how many points of restore do you want to have, how far back you want to go, how much disk space maximum you want to use. All of the sliders will be here. And this is going to be another option that is to be the easiest possible for everyone. Now, it's supposed to roll out in the next week or two in the insider builds for dev and beta, and it should be available for Windows 11 somewhere in the first half of 2026. So these are all new ways where you can recover a Windows that just doesn't start up in the easiest way possible. And let's hope that if it's done right, this could actually be a very good way to recover easily, a game changer where even an average user can just go and okay, I'm gonna go back in time yesterday or the day before because it was working, or I can try that quick machine recovery and see if it can fix my PC. So this is I think good news to help Windows stay up and running when something bad happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.